nice day today, weather-wise, on a Thursday, but we're also keeping an eye on what it looks like out in the Atlantic.
Yeah, the Atlantic with those, well, we got three systems. It's really one that we're focused on, and that hasn't even developed yet into a tropical depression, but we think it will. And so as we kind of set the stage here, I want to start with the newest tropical system, Tropical Storm Umberto, and the forecast track for this. We expect it to stay well east of Florida, but this will likely become a major hurricane as early as the weekend. So we're going to be watching around Bermuda and see exactly how this storm moves. Because, you know, as you get 4 or 5 days out, there's a little more uncertainty with the forecast. And this particular situation is complex because not only do you have Umberto, but another system that could interact with it. And we're going to have more on that in just a moment with Gulf Coast meteorologist Caroline Castor, because you're probably seeing a lot on your social media about the potential interaction between the two storms. But I want to start with this tropical wave that is over Hispaniola right now. It's producing a large plume of tropical moisture, showers and thunderstorms, but nothing that's really trying to congeal or consolidate. But you can see those odds up to about 80% for the next 7 days and 50% for the next 2 days. So I just put together a new futurecast, and this is exclusive here in your Gulf Coast weather, just kind of show you how things could play out as we get into the weekend. So we'll be tracking this slowly trying to work up toward the southern Bahamas into Friday and Saturday, and you can see it becoming more organized. Notice how the winds are kind of circulating around it. Another thing I want to point out, notice this front that will be draped across northern parts of Florida, and it should be close enough, and the timing should be just right so that we could see this kind of turn that low, maybe a depression by this point, to the north. Now, there's a possibility we could see some squally weather along the Florida East Coast. I mean, gusty winds and some rain bands. We'll see how close it's going to get to the East Coast, because that could also send some rain bands our way. It's just too soon to know that at this point. And then you can see coming into the picture what will soon be Hurricane Umberto, and it's not too common. You see two tropical systems so close together. So look what happens. It looks like that low, eventual tropical system gets pulled away in the wake of Umberto and away from Florida. We'll let you know if anything changes, of course, and we'll go through some of the latest models in just a moment coming up ahead at 6. Right now on the Gulf Coast Live radar, it's quiet, it's dry. It will stay that way, mostly clear and sunny as we go through the morning. Temperature's a bit warm, still a lot of humidity, but we're not going to see so many thunderstorms out there today. Highs in the lower 90s. The storms that do form will most likely impact our inland areas. But there will be a window here early in the afternoon, shortly after the lunch hour, where a few pockets of rain start to pop up close to Highway 41 and I-75. And then here comes the sea breeze. The winds off the Gulf will send the storms that do manage to form deep inland out closer to LaBelle, over Hendry, Glades County. The overall rain coverage today fairly low at 40%, dropping off to 30% tomorrow, and not a whole lot of shower activity out there through the weekend. Of course, we'll watch and see what happens with that developing system to our east. If it gets close enough, that could help to elevate our rain chances. So it's very fluid, a lot of moving parts right now. But as you look at the rain potential for the next 5 days, nothing too impressive here across the Gulf Coast. We'll see highs in the lower 90s as we get into your finally Friday for the upcoming weekend, up to 90 degrees. Morning temperatures in the mid 70s. We're just kind of on cruise control with those temps, and our rain chances close to 30%.